Well, check this out. Look who's in love here. Wow. Mo, what do you think? It looks like everybody's happy again. What do you think, sweetheart? I did. What is this? Oh, he's not really too happy about anything here. What's going on, buddy? Huh? You and your girl getting along pretty good there, or what? Look at this. Look at this stuff. She says, yeah, I got me a new boyfriend. I'm gonna just get all slicked up here for him because he's my baby. No. Do you love her? She loves you. Look at that stuff. Look at that stuff. Mo's in heaven again. He says, thanks, Dad. You brought me a nice little girl. And I'm feeling so good. I just want everybody in the whole world to see that little Aaron and Mo are getting along so good. I just cannot believe this. I really honestly do not believe what I'm seeing here. She was beating his ass a couple hours ago. And now she's just getting all slicked up for him. She's a good little girl, aren't you? You're just a good little girl, aren't you? Cause yeah, I gotta get all prettied up for my boy Mo. I gotta get all prettied up for my boy Mo. Yeah. And if you fuck with me, I'm gonna kick your ass. So, anyway, that's the family. Love y'all.